vlogging is damn. I don't think I want to do this ever again. Excuse the lightning. Wow, the lighting.
Coolest in the triple W, coolest in the whole wide world, coolest in the web wide world.
What's up, what's happening? Pala mo sung job. What's up, good? What's up, happening? I'm still proper, but you already know that. And I'm having a beach day with my homies. We're vibing out. Say peace, yeah, boy.
Say South Coast.
Going to South Coast there, going to live our best lives. We got games in this here. We got my laptop in this here. We got a speaker in this here. What else we got in this here? We got that. Yeah, blah. It's hi to my subscribers. All trending is not in y'all. Fucking with the boy. Our trouble jam. Troublemaker, troublesome. Trouble come inside. Right now, see Kibela, what you call it, Popopo. Popopo is a bus that charges like 8 rands to get to where we going to. Cause we bro like that. We're currently walking to the bus stop right now. We're supposed to be there, but we have to go to her res so she can get her beach things. That's it. So tell you guys when we get there. So she just got a thing. So we're waiting for the bus to come through. Apparently you don't request it like you do an Uber. I don't know. As you know when you come from the burbs. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So we're just chilling here, literally. While time is, what's the time? So it's like 2 now. We'll probably come back at like 7, 8 at night. Damn bruh. My mom thinks I'm out here studying. I'm out here having beach days with my peoples. Damn, you already know. Yeah, so literally just got off that bus. Hey, man, where are we gonna buy food, Gandhi? Where are we gonna buy food?
I don't know.
How you said there's a mall in just GT?
The mall and it.
Oh, what you mean you don't know, okay? What you mean you don't know? Okay, so we walk into the mall right now. Oh, yeah, guys, this vlogging thing is just hard. Oh, the lightning is fire at the side. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So walk with me now.
Support black businesses.
Passing by Imapida right now. Moses nguye who opened the sea. Moses who opened the sea. Is it Moses? Is it Moses or Judas? Oh, who Judas get with that? What's Judas famous for? Hey man, what's the beach, guys?
It's the other side.
How? Some of us are fat, so we can't walk a long distance, bro. Fat boys, anyway. When are we gonna do this? Sky ride. Yeah. No, when are we gonna sky ride?
Oh, we take off this year.
Oh,
Oh,
let's cycle at least. Cycle boys, all right. SD,
Yeah.
what's this called?
Square roots.
Ish. So we've been walking for like the past 30 minutes because of this nigga. Didn't want us to Uber or anything. Said no, he wants to give us the full experience because he's been here. So we're going to, I think this is called the Suncoast Mall. We're gonna get food and we're gonna meet our other friends there by the entrance. They're supposed to be waiting for us when we're supposed to be waiting for them. But there's some waiting involved in there. So we're getting there, we're getting food and we're getting out, going to the beach. The beach is like just over this bush thing going on right there. Still trying to decide what we want, and queue for KFC is like longer than the walk to freedom, so we don't know what we're gonna buy. Yeah?
No, yes,
Pella, what are we gonna buy? Yes, since I guess on what's yes. Yeah? And that's SD. Team, I know, let's talk about it. What are we gonna buy? No matter how we Uber Eats to up.
Why would you guys do that? That's 10 rand extra.
Yeah, but instead of waiting in line, I feel like
How about
much more.
Are we gonna quit use the back?
Can we?
Okay, it's fine.
ayikho into ethi ulayini mude bafanele kulinda umlilo so wabo mina ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza ngesikhathi nami
No, I'm starving, guys. I only had cornflakes in the morning and I'm going through a lot currently. And then, because it's a holiday, so there's plenty of people. Yo, and people are staring at me because I'm vlogging. It's not that long. Yeah. It's a mess. It's a mess. I also
I feel like I should get paid to be on this channel now.
Right. Guys, I'm gonna give you an update when I'm done. Hungry. Finally, we just got to the beach. And now, kay lungu la setelele ngati chubile. Ay 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 ay. Eh, stetu balsa. Kota nyak. Lamina. You know what the fuck's going on? In this beach. My phone died, but we ate, and then I recorded questions. So there's a segment you guys are gonna see after this part. 4 questions. What's up? What's heading out so proper to the stage, man. We feel like the voice out, man. Hello, your sisters, we crash. AKA Mr. And you are tuned into the worldwide waves number 6 like in the game, which were you, and you already know what is going on. Guys, as you see, the vlog wasn't even meant to be part of this, but yeah, we just decided to come to the beach because it's a holiday, me and my friends. So we have Skeda, I'm Chair, we have the Troublemaker, Trouble Sound, Trouble come inside, you already know what is going on. We have Batani, we have Skela over there. Who else do we have? Stefu Uta, right there in the shorts. And then we have Mustibat Degili behind the camera. And then he's just gonna ask me, how many questions are they, dog? 50 questions. Just gonna ask me 50 questions. And then I have to answer as best as I can. I don't know these questions, so I gave him a job to draft some questions for me. Him and his girlfriend did that for me. So that's what we're gonna do. Starting now, let's get it.
But it feels like everyone don't know what's over you. 'Cause men don't cry, real men lying. Say anything to not show how inside you're dying.